transmission is coming to you approximately halfway between the moon and the Earth. We've been 31 hours, about 20 minutes into the flight. We have about less than 40 hours left to go to the moon. Showing the Earth, it's a beautiful, beautiful view with predominantly blue background and just huge covers of white clouds. Particularly one very strong vortex up there, the Terminator. Very, very beautiful.
Houston, what does the old moon look like from 60 miles, over?
Okay, Houston, the moon is essentially gray. No color. Looks like plaster of Paris. Or sort of a grayish beach sand. We can see quite a bit of detail. The Sea of Fertility doesn't stand out as well here as it does back on Earth. Not as much contrast between that and the surrounding craters. The craters are all rounded off. There's quite a few of them. Some of them are newer. Some look like, especially the round ones, look like hit by meteorites or projectiles of some sort.
Hey, don't take that. It's not scheduled. You got a color film, Jim? Hand me a roll of color, quick.
Oh, man, that's great. Where is it?
Quick.
Bill, I got it framed. It's very clear right here. You got it?
Yep. Let's take several of them.
Take several of them. Here, give it to me.
Wait a minute. Let me just get the right setting here. Now, just calm down, Bubble.
Well, I got it right. Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
Bill Anders, Jim Lovell, and myself have spent the day before Christmas up here doing experiments, taking pictures, and firing our spacecraft engines to maneuver around. What we'll do now is follow the trail that we've been following all day and take you on through into a lunar sunset. Moon is a different thing to each one of us. I think that each one carries his own impressions of what he's seen today. I know my own impression is that it's a vast, lonely, forbidding type existence or expanse of nothing. It looks rather like clouds and clouds of pumice stone, and it certainly would not appear to be a very inviting place to live or work. Jim, what have you thought most about? Well, Frank, my thoughts were very similar. The vast loneliness up here on the moon is awe-inspiring, and it makes you realize just what you have back there on Earth. The Earth from here is a grand oasis of the big vastness of space. You know, what do you think? I think the thing that impressed me the most were the lunar sunrises and sunsets. These in particular bring out the stark nature, the terrain, and the long shadows really bring out the relief that is here and hard to see in this very bright surface that we're going over right now. The horizon here is very, very stark. The sky is pitch black and the Earth, or the moon rather, is quite light. And the contrast between the sky and the moon is a vivid dark line. Actually, I think the best way to describe this area is a vastness of black and white. Absolutely no color. The sky up here is also a rather forbidding, foreboding expanse of blackness with no stars visible when we're flying over the moon in daylight. And one of the amazing features of the surface is the roundness of most of the craters. It seems that most of them have a round, mound-type appearance instead of sharp, jagged rocks. Only the very newest features have any sharp definition to them, and eventually they get eroded down by the constant bombardment of small meteorites.
Houston, Apollo 8 over.
Hello, Apollo 8. Loud and clear.